Welcome back to our channel. Ito, nagbabalik na ako ulit sa Mandaluyong. Daling lang natin galing Bataan. So ngayon meron tayong special video kasi meron tayong package na nanggaling from somewhere, pero mamaya na natin i-reveal kung saan galing. So dito tayo sa labas. So before tayo mag-start, ito, ipon lang natin yung mga members natin kasi magkaroon din tayo ng meeting. Tapos may iniintay din tayong brigade from Caloocan. So biglang awa. So just, yan na ba? So background lang, si director natin, RFB Director Lynn Fulton, nag-donate siya sa brigade na yon para pangdagdag kasi nagbubuo sila ng sarili nilang fire truck. So ayun, sama din natin yon para, of course, big thanks kay Sir Lynn Fulton. So tawag doon, disclaimer lang, yung donation na yon walang galing sa RFB doon, entirely galing yan kay Sir Lynn Fulton. So kami lang yung parang naging daan para magbigay. So ayan, dumating sila ngayon. Iabot lang natin, tapos konting kwentuhan, then punta na tayo dun sa unboxing natin. Unboxing ng SCBA galing sa US. Okay, done. So dito naman tayo kay unboxing naman tayo sa loob.
Okay, so mabit naman ang gunting na to.
So yun, ito na yung, this is our box from US, from Sir Steven Kerber. But just to give you a background, so way back 2009, so isa sa mga first na nag-train sa RFB nung bagong kuha pa lang namin yung truck namin is si Sir Sherwin Go. So anong pausa niya pa? 7?
Sa Freedom CC, Freedom 7.
Freedom 7. So along with Sir Sherwin Go, Freedom 7, kasama natin si Patriot 24, Thief 24, Sir Jeff C. Tsaka ayun, eventually yung nag-train din sa amin sa mga recurring na, sa mga tournament namin is si 298. So ayun, go back tayo kay Sir Sherwin Go. So way back 2009, ayun, may connection na tayo sa kanila kasi isa sila sa mga they trained us for basic firefighting. Then fast forward 2020, they asked our fire chief if we have enough SCBA. So unfortunately, we only have one SCBA which came from C3 Mandaluyong. And we weren't able to use it always because it's just one SCBA, and ideally when you're going to go inside the fire scene, it should be at least 2 persons. So from back then, we haven't really used our SCBA, but because of because of Sir Sherwin, and he endorsed us to Sir Steven Kerber, which is
Steven Kerber. Thank you very much,
Sir Steven Kerber, which is the fire chief, regional fire chief
yeah.
in US. So ayun,
I guess Arizona.
Ayun.
Yeah. So thank you very much, sir. Chief Sete, Freedom 7. Thank you very much. Chief Steven Kerber, regional director. Yeah, regional director of regional fire. So sorry. So because of you, we have
new gears.
We very useful in our brigade, no. So we need this very much.
Ayun. So mga nagtataka bakit pinipilit namin mag-English kasi yung nagbigay sa atin is taga-ibang bansa, syempre, para maintindihan naman nila yung sinasabi namin.
Oh, yan. So guys, say thank you.
Thank you. Hi ang buhay.
So yan, so ito masaya. So we are so excited before we unboxing this, so we have to pray, you know. So thank God. Please bow our head and close our eyes. Thank God to all to help us to make this happen, no. To have sorry, yung English namin medyo hindi fluent. So yun, pinipilit namin para maintindihan ng ating sponsors. So yun. Okay, so ingatan mo po kami, no? So Panginoon, sa aming laging araw-araw na pamumuhay, sa bawat responde namin, gabayan mo po kami. Dinadalangin po namin ito sa pinakamatamis na pangalan ng Anak si Jesus. Amen.
Amen.
Maraming salamat sa sponsor. So ito na.
Ayan. So mahirap kasi mag-subtitle sa YouTube. Sinubukan kong gawin. Nilagyan ko ng subtitle lahat ng lumang video. Inabot ka ng mga 4 to 5 hours sa isang video para lang mag-subtitle. Kaya ito na.
So yun, so mainit talaga, so it's so hot here in the Philippines. So that's why we're sweating, no?
We need aircon.
We need an aircon. Yan, so we're gonna...
Yan. Ano masabi mo sa sponsor natin?
Thank you very much for this wonderful kit that will help our brigade.
You know, shoulder straps.
Shoulder
Okay. Warren, hold on, Warren. Unbox in na natin. Out. And this is the ISI machine.
Shoulder strap.
Yun, no? Kita mo, original, no? Alright. Yun, no? Sige, paano muna dun sa isang pa-sort muna din. And later, i-assemble natin. So, ito, yung mga mask.
Sinata yung tumutunog pag ano.
Panlagay.
Okay, so yan.
Tamas.
Alright. Oh! Oh! Ho, ho, ho. Alam ha? Tara!
Chocolate ko.
Chocolate! Thank you, Sir Steven. And of
Focus mo
course,
sa mga
kay
gamit,
Ma'am, sa wife ni Sir Steven Kerber, thank you very much. Okay, so ma'am, tulungan niyo kami mag-translate yung mga Tagalog. Hindi na. Ayun, thank you. So, ito, mamaya, pag-hati-hatian natin ng chocolates.
Uy, thank you kayo.
Thank you very much.
Hold on, what is this? What is this? Okay.
Gold. Pang gold yan.
Oh.
Uy.
Ay, pangalan pa, medic.
Oo, para kay Kuya Warren.
Ah, okay.
Grabe.
Bugis si Warren.
Uy, grabe kayo sa akin.
Para si Warren lang nangangailangan lagi niya.
Okay, so. So, papalagyan na lang natin, papaanuhan natin ng hangin. So, pakisort muna to. Dito. And parang may maganda rito.
Uy.
Tara! US! Ang ganda, oh! Ang ganda!
Regional Fire. Uy. US pa, US.
Sino may gusto ng bunker ko? Ang ganda, oh. So, thank you, ah. Sir Steven, thank you very much. Sir Sherwin, no? Freedom 7, Chief Steven Kerber. Thank you very much for this. So, ang ganda, oh.
Ang laki.
Oh, di ba? I love it. And so, one upper, okay, then two
Isa pa.
upper. Tan-tanana.
Ganun din, parehas sila na.
So, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Right? Then, okay, paki-check nyo itong mga ano natin, ha?
Sa mga
Baka connection. Cylinder number 2.
Dalawa na yung ano natin.
Right? Actually, ang gaan, oh.
Carbon.
Panalo.
Pero magtataka ka bakit mabigat kasi hangin lang din naman yung laman eh. No?
So, sige, feel nyo, mga boys. Okay, and then we have cylinder number 3. Ano nyo naman yung mga sponsors ko? Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. So, talagang we cannot explain what our feeling right now. So, we are so happy, we are so blessed, we are so glad, and we are so thankful. Thank you very much from the bottom of our hearts. Okay? So, kanina upper, ngayon lower!
Ano, kanino kasya yan?
Di ba? Okay, swerte.
Ayun, so, ayun, ito na yung
we have
last box
two
natin.
upper and another
Sa
lower.
pang-lower, ayan.
Ang ganda. Oh my gosh. Okay, so ito yung isang box natin, pakilabas. Thank you. So yan.
So ito, going na tayo sa ating second box. Pero yun, thank you din pala kay Hamad Second, kay Lola Rosita Reyes.
Okay, nanay ko.
Ayun.
So sige, go ahead, anak.
Ayun, so the package was from, of course, Sir Steven Kerber from the USA. But of course, meron ding mga bayad sa shipping, mga ganyan.
Shipping
So
lang
yung shipping ay sinagot ng aking lola, which is Rosita Reyes from Canada. Ayun, thank you!
Nanay, thank you very much. I love you always. Ingat ka lagi dyan. So, salamat. So, because of sa iyo, nanay, kay Steven Kerber, kay Chief Sete, meron kami nito ngayon. So, napakaswerte. Salamat po, salamat. Okay, now,
Ano ba, minamdam?
we're going to open the number 2 box, no? Okay, the box number 2. Ayun, oh. Oh my gosh.
Patrick, ha? Ang chocolate pa yan. Chocolate pa yan.
Kayo na konti, para maluwag.
Oh, paluwag ng konti. Ganda nung upper, ah.
Gano'n ba yun?
Oh! Oh my gosh! Oh no! Tada! Ganda.
Nakuha mo ba?
Oh, di ba? Ganda. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Sir Steven. Thank you. Jim Sherwin, thank you. Nanay, thank you, nanay. And sa lahat ng tao na tumulong para makarating to rito, thank you very much po. Okay, so tatlo. Okay, let's talk later. And so, upper yan, ano? So, another upper. Taran! Apat. Ganda.
Apat na set ata yan eh.
My gosh. US. Thank you. Made in USA, alright? Now, so ilan yung upper? Apat, dalawang lower.
Dalawang lower.
And, ayan, okay. So, ito yung iset na natin to later. Tapos, bukas, pakargahan natin. Testingin natin to. Sa training, huwag sa sulog. Training lang. Okay, cylinder number 4. Taran! Thank you, sir. Thank you.
So, pwede nating gawin sunod dito, gagawa tayo ng SCBA training. Ayun. Kaya magandang saktong pagkatapos nito.
Okay, so yes, this is it. Ito yung, ilan na to? Pang ilan? Apat. So, look at this. So, we got 7 cylinder.
Oh, tama, 7.
So, number 5 o number 5 cylinder. Right? My gosh, thank you. Then number 6. Okay. Ulit.
Thank you very much.
Okay, number 7. Thank you.
Itong cylinder.
Itong cylinder. So,
Galing siya kagaan.
saka magaan, oh. So, oh, yeah.
Magaan talaga siya.
Thank you. Hawakan nyo, sige. You want to... Okay, since meron tayo dong lower, no? Upper. Meron pa ritong isang... hold on. Dalawang upper. Lower pala, sorry. Alright, so thank you. Talagang sobrang salamat. Okay, then another. This is the last one here. Alright. So, ang galing. Pakpakan naman natin. Thank you.
Apat na set. 4
Thank
sets
you.
of upper, 4 sets of lower, 7 cylinders. Ilan yung ano?
Backplate. Apat.
Apat. 4 backplates. Ayan.
And then we have
Chocolate!
chocolates. So ito,
Ang tawag?
okay, sige, ihati-hatiin natin to ngayon. Oh, bilangin nyo. 140, ilan tayo? So pag hati-hatiin nyo, sige. Lagay nyo dyan. Pila kayo, pila.
Alam niyo yung bihira tayo makuha ng mga state of the art na gamit. Hindi na alam tawag.
So yun, okay. So thank you for all for your generosity. So thank you for your generosity, Sir Steven Kerber. Also of course thank you kay Chief Siete because siya din yung nagpakilala kay Sir Steven, and also si Chief Siete rin ang nagsama sa akin sa GC. Sa GC nung meron we have a GC. So a lot of the kid in there also na binibigyan nila ng donations. So napakabait nila, napakaganda ng kalooban. So hope this is not the last time. So and thank you very much. Thank you very much. And God bless. Isang sigaw dyan. Hoy! Alright, salamat.
Tsaka ito yung mga nakuha nating gamit. So we have 4 new sets. So sa ngayon, meron na tayong mga 8 cylinder. So probably magagawa na natin yung iba sa mga laban natin na makakapasok na tayo sa loob, which is hindi natin masyado ginagawa dati. So we're restricting ourselves in fighting confined fire because of course we think of the safety of our members. So now we have this SCBA sets. It will be much more better. We can work efficiently, we can work safely. And yun nga sinasabi ko dito, itong mga dinodonate sa amin, dinodonate sa RFB. By the end of the day, hindi naman RFB ang panalo dito. Ang panalo dito yung mga taong matutulungan natin sa mga sulog.
Pwede pa naman Tagalog eh. Hirap ako eh.
So by the end of the day, the real beneficiaries here are the people who we are going to help in the fire. So yun.
Alright, so
Latag.
yan, thank you. Sige, ilatag natin. And then anyway, while you're latag, what is latag? Oh well. While we will sort all those important equipments. So okay, ano masasabi mo? Just say thank you. English.
Thank you for the equipments and the bunker and lower.
All right. So
Thank you po.
yes. Of course, thank God.
Thank God.
Yeah. Okay, Ma'am Beth.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
I hope this won't be the last.
Yes, of course. We hope and pray, no?
Thank you, sir.
And we pray
God bless
that
you.
all those people, may God bless, may continue to God bless.
Thank you po.
All right. Top.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. All right.
Thank you po sa nag-sponsor.
Okay. All right.
Thank you po.
Yeah.
Thank you po, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Welcome to my vlog. Thank you very, very much.
Mabuhay.
Sir Steven.
Thank
and,
you,
Sir
Sir Steven.
And Steven Kerber and Chief Siete.
And Chief Siete, Sherwin. Thank you so much po.
Okay. Hold on.
Thank you. Thank you po.
Okay, Sir Steven Kerber
Thank you po, Sir
and
Steven.
Chief Sir Sherwin Tango.
Thank you po.
Okay. Sige. Nakisort ko na yung Michael.
Oh,
Hindi
no.
ka thank you.
Say thank you.
Thank you. Maraming salamat.
Alright. Toteng.
English dapat eh.
Thank you very much for equipment and SCBA.
Alright. God bless. Sean.
Thank you very much for our sponsor. Keep safe always.
Alright. Jan.
Thank you so much. Have a great day.
Wow. Alright.
Thank you, Sir Siete. Rhythm 7.
Sir Steven.
Sir Steven, thank you very much.
Correct?
Thank you very much for this kind of support. This will help us. Also, this will help other people in
Alright.
saving lives and property. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for the sponsor. Thank you. Thank you, sir. God bless.
Alright. Thank you.
Thank you for the other equipments that will truly help us.
Wow. Galing. Alright, English ha. Solid. Solid tol, solid. Yes. So, ayun, pwede daw pa kargahan yan, ano, for free, no? Sa, ano?
Libre yan sa C3.
Extrication device.
So, itong mga
Kahit ako, hindi ko din alam kung ano ginagawa niyan. Sa-search natin.
Pagka may na-aksidente sa kotse.
Actually, ayun nga, no? So, Tagalogin ko ha. Pa-translate na lang. So, yung sinasabi ko kanina, last November 29, nag-conduct kami ng basic firefighting for the newbies, no? For the probies. Now, ang sabi ko doon, malay natin merong
Magbigay.
we hope and pray na merong mag-donate sa atin. So, ganun pala sana, no? Sana lagi mo sasabihin yung gusto mong mangyari, which is nangyayari pala talaga when you say positive thinking, you know?
Law of attraction, baby.
Yan. So, kumbaga, yun, nagkaroon na tayo nito ngayon because of the, yun, may mabubuting loob na tao na tiga ibang bansa pa. So, see, eto na siya ngayon. Lubos ang aming pasasalamat from the bottom of our hearts or from the team, response fire volunteers of Barangay San Jose, Mandaluyong City. Thank you very much.
Easy na sila eh. Inaayos nila eh. So yun, meron tayong again 7 cylinders. Meron tayong 4 na backplate. Meron din isang extrication device. Tapos 4 na set ng upper and lower. Ayun, nasa likod nito. Angat mga to.
Talaga.
Ayan. 4 yan. 4 na lower, tapos 4 din na upper. Lower din.
Cellphone ko pula. Ayun na kay
So
Patrick.
yun,
Patrick. Game.
nag-ano na sila, sinet up na. Ito na na-inventory na namin. Meron tayong 4 na set ng upper, meron tayong 4 na set ng lower, 7 cylinders, and 4 backplates. Ayan.
Alright.
Amazing ate, oh. Backplates. So ito, i-showcase lang namin lahat ng nakuha namin.
Ito na.
Ayan, sige.
Joshua,
Yan ang itsura niya pag nakasuot.
Makakan yun sa jet, yung ano.
Para
Guys,
tayong
come on.
piloto.
Piloto.
Idol. Huwag mo na isa na, mainit naman.
Jet.
Yan. Oh, shot.
Pwede na yung mga nabigyan. Ano,
Pwede na, pwesto.
dito kayo sa harapan para makita yung...
So, lahat yung meron.
Hindi ko nakapakan.
Okay. Alikod yung mga nakasuot ng PA para makita yung wala po. Saka si Michael. Ayan, okay. So, nais din namin magpasalamat sa nag-sponsor ng aming ulam ngayon. Sinigang. Ayaw niya magpakilala eh, pero is a handsome man and an Enfield owner somewhere in Barangka. So, thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Maraming salamat sa iyo.
Tama.
Match lang ang kuha. Alam niyo yung match? Tamang-tama lang.
Wala maghandog. And so dito na natin tong tapusin ng video na ito. So medyo ilang pa ako mag-English kasi hindi sanay. Pero yun nga, nalaman ko na mas madaling mag-English sa YouTube kasi gumagawa sa YouTube ng automatic subtitle. Unlike pag gagawa ka ng sarili mong subtitle. Ayan. So pag nag-full English ka, mas madali. At of course makes sense din naman kasi alam na natin na hindi lang Pilipino o hindi lang natin kapwa taga Pilipinas ang nanonood sa atin sa channel natin. So may mga viewers na rin tayo mula sa ibang bansa, and of course personally napaka-thankful ko dahil from Zero, andito tayo ngayon. Nakakatawa kasi hindi ko naman in-expect na lumaki ng ganitong tong channel. So, gusto ko lang mag-upload lang naman dati. So, ngayon, 28,000 na tayo. Tapos, going 30,000. Tapos, ayun. Next target natin, 50. Pero mukhang malayo pa. Pero darating din tayo dyan. So, biglan ko lang kayo ng recap. So, the recap for this video is we received new gears from USA. So, care of Mr. Steven Kerber, which is the regional fire chief of the in the state of Arizona. So, of course, hindi naman ma-accomplish to if hindi in-spearhead or hindi sinimulan ni Sir Sherwin. So, bigyan ko lang kayo ng background. Si Sir Sherwin, isa siya sa mga nag-train sa atin nung early days ni RFP, nung bagong kuha pa lang natin yung truck natin. So, way back, that's 2008, 2009. So, along with Sir Sherwin, nandiyan din si Sir Patriot 24. And of course, eventually, nagkaroon tayo ng friends from 29H, which sila yung kadalasan na nagtitrain sa atin pag lumalaban tayo sa mga text fire or sa mga competition. Ayan, pakita ko lang sa inyo. So baka gawan ko din yan ng video sa susunod, yung mga awards dito sa taas. Pero yun nga, skip tayo doon. So ang daming involved para mangyari to. Yun nga nasabi ni Fire Chief last time when we're doing the basic firefighting video. We joked about having more SCBAs because back then we only have one SCBA. And then here we are. We have additional 7 air tanks and 4 backplates. So ayan na, we have more than one, so we can fight fires effectively and safely. So ayun. Okay, let's not forget also si Mamad Second, Rosita Reyes, kasi siya yung nag-sponsor nung shipping from USA to Philippines. So ayun, thank you so much sa lahat ng involved. Again, Sir Sherwin, Sir Steven Kerber, and Rosita Reyes. Ayan.
Thank you so much for supporting this fire volunteers. God bless! Woo!